Artificial intelligence, AI, continues to reshape industries, and one exceptional project idea involves developing a smart personal assistant tailored for students. This AI-driven application could manage schedules, assignments, and study materials, effectively acting as a virtual coach. Imagine a platform that analyzes students' learning habits and offers personalized study plans, reminders for upcoming deadlines, and even interactive quizzes based on their weak areas. Such a tool not only encourages better time management, but also enhances retention through targeted learning pathways, making education more efficient and accessible. Another fascinating project idea could center around AI in healthcare, specifically utilizing machine learning algorithms to predict patient diagnoses. By analyzing historical patient data, symptoms, and treatments, this system could assist doctors in making informed decisions. Picture a world where an AI tool assesses a patient's records during consultation, providing potential diagnoses and suggested treatments based on similar cases. This project could bridge the gap between experience and data, ensuring that even less experienced practitioners have the support needed to deliver top-notch care. Transportation is an area ripe for AI innovation, and an exciting project could be the development of an adaptive traffic management system. This AI system would gather data from numerous traffic sensors, cameras, and GPS devices to optimize traffic flow in real time. Visualize a city where traffic lights adjust dynamically depending on congestion levels and emergency vehicle routes, significantly reducing wait times and improving overall road safety. This technology could lead to smoother commutes and reduced environmental impact due to lower emissions from idling cars. Additionally, creating an AI-driven content generator for digital marketing could prove invaluable for businesses. This application would analyze existing content across various platforms and identify trending topics, optimal posting times, and engagement strategies. Imagine marketing teams utilizing AI technology to craft targeted blog posts and social media updates informed by extensive data analysis. This project would empower brands to create impactful content, boost engagement, and maximize the return on their marketing investments, all while minimizing the effort involved in content creation. Lastly, developing a virtual reality-based AI system for training and development could revolutionize workforce education. This project would combine AI-driven simulations with VR technology, providing realistic environments for employees to practice skills and scenarios relevant to their roles. Think about a scenario in which a retail worker trains in a virtual store, navigating customers and inventory challenges before facing real-world situations. Such a tool would enhance skill acquisition and confidence, ultimately leading to improved performance.